Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi R8 engine compartment. First, locate the electronic release button inside the cabin. This button is typically found behind the driver's seat or in the driver's footwell. It is crucial that the vehicle's ignition is switched on for this electronic release to function correctly. Once the ignition is on, simply pull the button to hear the latch disengage, signaling the engine compartment is ready to open. If the electronic release doesn't work, perhaps due to a dead battery, you'll need to use the manual emergency release. This cable is usually a yellow or red looped wire, often located behind the driver's seat, protruding from underneath the rear shelf. Carefully locate this cable and pull it firmly. You may need to apply significant force to fully disengage the engine compartment latch. Once the latch is released, whether electronically or manually, you can now lift the engine compartment lid. Walk to the rear of your Audi R8 and gently lift the lid upwards. It will pivot smoothly, revealing the powerful engine bay. Ensure the lid is fully open and stable, providing you with clear and safe access for any necessary maintenance, fluid checks, or simply to admire the engineering. For your safety, never attempt to open the engine lid if you see steam or coolant escaping from the compartment. Always allow the engine to cool down significantly before performing any checks or maintenance to avoid burns. When you are finished, gently lower the engine lid and press down firmly on both sides until you hear it securely latch into place, ensuring it is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.